Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Huggy Wuggy, but this time we're going to draw the whole body. If you want to go check out my other video, it's on how to draw Huggy Wuggy's whole face. But okay, let's get started, okay? It's going to be the whole body. By the way, this is for beginners, so you should be able to do this. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw one of Huggy Wuggy's eyes. Basically, it's just a circle. Gonna go over here to the other one. Another circular eye. And before anything else, I'm gonna draw a curve here because he's got a sliver of like white. Right, and the rest of it's going to be filled in except for maybe like a highlight. I'll put like a circle in there and I'm going to fill this all in. It's probably a lot easier to do it in pencil, but like so. I'm going to go over here, curve. It's going to be the mouth, the top of the lip that we're doing. Going to go over here, up. Over here, up. Right, so the smile here is kind of like looks like Gumby's mouth or something. It's just like a big rope of a mouth. Go over here, down, across, up over here. Gonna go over here, down, up, down over here, up. Find the bottom of that smile. And gonna go over here and draw that zigzag line here for the teeth. Just that zigzag line along. Here, kind of fill that in because that other marker was kind of dying out. Cool. Gonna go over here and start kind of from the side, and I'm gonna pull up, line up. Same thing on the far end over here on the other side. And I'm gonna zigzag up over here until I hit one side of his head. Gonna do the exact same thing on this side, that slightly curved line, but as I'm moving up, I'm doing a zigzag. Pulling in and pulling in as well. Maybe like a little dip right here in the middle. Cool. He's got a bow here right below him, so you're going to see a curve up. Over here, curve up. It's like a, not even a bow, it's like a tied string. So I'm going to throw another repeated line on the inside to make that look like it's a string. And from there, I'm going to pull a straight line down for the tassels hanging down. Up, over here, up. Right on. Okay. So let's find his body. His body, we're going to pull down here on one side, curve in. Down over here on the other side, curve in. And I'm going to pull a line down for his leg. Out, down for his leg. All right. Line across here for the lower waist. Down here for his really long leg. Putting a slight bend in them, you know. Curve up here. Curve up here. And he's going to have these like feet that pop out that look kind of bizarre. But it's going to curve over here, down over here, curve. Almost like chimpanzee feet or something. Over here, I'm going to draw his arms now. They're going to come from kind of higher up, almost in his head right here. Curve. Sorry about that. The light keeps going out. Line over here. Same thing over here on this side. And they actually get a little bit bigger as it goes to the hand area. Zigzag over here just a bit. Zigzag over here, kind of like a fuzzy. And we're going to draw his actual hands underneath that. And he has this kind of mitten type hands, but we're going to draw it as one shape, like there. And then the thumb on this side. Down over here, like this mitten hand. And thumb on this side. Line down. And you can kind of draw like, you know, stitch lines here, but it's not necessary though. He doesn't always have that, but it sometimes kind of adds to his look. And that's it. That is his entire body. Hopefully that was easy for you. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like this stuff, and hit the subscribe. Make this the video you subscribe in. I'm going to be posting all year. It's going to be scary type drawings. Absolutely don't miss them. I post every single weekday, but when you subscribe, it kind of shows you which ones I'm going to be posting. Kind of shows you the thumbnail, so you can kind of always check that out on your feed. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the announcement. I'm going to talk about my full courses. They're completely free, and they're completely for beginners, so stick around for that announcement right now. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.